A huge welcome to you. Thank you for putting your trust in me and for signing up to take this course. I'm Carl Jeffrey and I'm honoured to be working with you, and I'm excited for you about the journey that you're embarking upon. The benefits that come from meditating regularly can have a life-changing effect for many people, and I very much hope that this course helps to ignite a new beginning of the rest of your life. If you commit to a regular meditation practice, you will notice the benefits and you will notice the difference that it makes to your life. So my job is to look after you and to walk you step by step through this entire course. And your role is to simply show up every few days, then do the simple assignments that I've set for you, and to commit to practicing each new meditation once a day for 10 minutes a day if you can. I will make meditation easy for you and give you everything you need to help you experience many levels of meditation, to help you reduce stress, calm your mind, gain deeper levels of relaxation, enjoy more rejuvenation and vitality, to feel happier and healthier, to achieve more balance and contentment in your life, and to experience a greater sense of well-being, along with enjoying many of the other life-enriching benefits that come from meditation. Now that you've signed up, you have the entire course at your fingertips, and you also have access to me to ask any questions and get any feedback on your progress while you're going through this course, plus all the resources you need, and it's all wrapped up with a 30-day money-back customer satisfaction guarantee from Udemy. I want this course to add value to your life, and I know that if we really want to enrich our lives and get a little extra something out of life, then we have to invest in ourselves, not just with money, but with a little bit of time that it takes to practice what we've learned and then to make it a regular part of our lives. I don't know of anything else that can be so life-enriching, which is as simple as meditation. And that is what you are about to experience for yourself. If you have any questions at any time, reach out to me. I'm here to help you succeed. I'm here to help you get the results. So don't be frightened of asking. Coming up in the next video, you're going to learn how to gain the most out of this course, and it also describes how to communicate with me during your time here. I look forward to hearing from you, to supporting you, and to seeing you get results as you progress through this course. Once again, thank you for signing up, and a huge welcome to you to this Meditation Made Easy course.